Hello, welcome to our design solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to design the one mobile charger as you are seeing now in nx-cad software. Let us start with the part design. First of all try to click on new, put as a model, then click OK. Then try to select the extrude command, then select the front view. It automatically converted into 2D. Now try to draw the one rectangle with the height, vertical height is 50 and the horizontal distance is 80. We are designing as per these dimensions 55, 80. Vertical height is 55, 80 and try to make it coincide center. It means put as 40. Perfect. Then here put as 55 it is in center now. Click on finish. Then try to extrude the part up to 45. Apply. Then try to select the extrude command, select the top view. Again try to draw another rectangle. $84 easy. It has 84. Select the rapid distance. Give the distance is 2. Perfect. And then horizontal distance is also give 46. Make it here 1. Or else make it this one as 48. Select the rapid distance. Here put as 1.5. Perfect. It is in center. Try to finish. Click on finish. Extrude the part up to 10. Apply. Now we need to do the chamfer for this. They give the chamfer distance also 5 mm. Chamfer is 5 mm. Click OK. Again repeat the operation for all the corners. Click OK. And here we need to do radius 2. They mentioned here, if you observe, radius is 2. Edge blend, select the edge blend command, select the corner, it has 2. Perfect. Click OK. Again repeat the operation for all the corners. Here also, yeah. Now we need to do this is 3. Again select the edge blend command, 2 with 3 mm. Perfect. Again repeat the operation for all the corners. Yeah, now we need to draw this part. For that one, select the extrude command and then try to select the bottom view of the part. Then try to select the profile command. It is try to and here put as a angle 120, and this is also make it 120, and then it is automatically 120. Yes, close it, then make it 22. This line also 22. Make it 1. Close it, and then select the rapid distance. Select this distance. Based on this, we will give make it 3. Try to delete this one. Perfect. It is in perfect position, but this point, select the rapid distance. This point and this should be 0. Close it. Try to make it this line mirror. Select the mirror command. Select center line. Okay, then again this line, center line. Yes, click OK. Then select the quick extend command. Click on lines. It will automatically extend up to those lines. Yeah, the profile is okay now. Click on finish. Extrude up to 42 because they mentioned 42 distance. Based on that, we will be 42. Click OK. Yeah. Now we need to do the edge bend for this. Every corner with radius 2. They mentioned radius 2. You can observe here. That's why we will make it edge bend for every corner with 2 mm. Click OK, and for this also yeah, okay. Now we need to make it chamfer for this corner also. Select the chamfer command up to 4 or else put as 3. Let's leave it, not an issue. They didn't mention that one. Again we need to draw this pins. For that one, select the extrude command, select the put a proper view. Yeah, then try to select the extrude command, select the bottom view. It will automatically convert. Now we need to draw the 2 circles. They mention distance is 15. It means we should select the rapid distance. Make it 15. Perfect. Then for this one also make it 50. Close it, and then diameter should be, they mention radius 5, it means dia 10. Dia 10. And for this one also make it dia 10. Sorry, it should be, distance should be 15, then radius should be 10. Close it. Yeah, then try to click on finish. Extrude the part up to, they mentioned 15. Up to 15. Click OK. Yeah. Again, need to draw. Select the extrude command. Select this part. Then again try to draw the circles. With the dia, make it 9, and for this also make it dia should be 9. Close it, click on finish. Try to extrude up to, they mentioned the distance should be 18. Click OK. We need to select the edge bend command, select this command. It has up to 4.5. Yes, click OK. And for this one also click OK. Yeah, The design is over. Now we need to add the colors. Simply select the modality, specific color, select the black color, click OK, play. Yeah, make it this color also black. Make it this parts are should be in apply. Okay, now we need to draw the one this port. Again try to select the extrude command, select this part. Again simply try to draw the make it this is 30, this should be 30, close it, click on finish, extrude the part but in reverse direction, click OK. Again need to get another part, click on extrude, select this plane, again try to select the rectangle, try to draw it. It should be 24. This thickness should be 4. Close it. We want check it. 13, 30, 13, 24, 4. And finish. Extrude it up to 15. Okay, click it. Make it black. But for this one we need to make white. Select the white color, click OK. Yeah, the design of mobile charger is over. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel.